Hello, today we will guide you through how to log in Cloudflare. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google. This is the quickest way to find the official Cloudflare website, especially if you do not already have the login page bookmarked. Once the Google homepage is loaded, click into the search bar so you can begin typing your search. Next, enter Cloudflare into the search field. As you type, you may see search suggestions appear below the bar. You can either click the correct suggestion or simply finish typing the name and press enter on your keyboard to view the search results. Be sure to spell the name correctly so the right website appears clearly in the results. When the results page opens, look for the official Cloudflare site. This is an important step because you want to make sure you are visiting the legitimate website before entering any login information. In most cases, the official result will appear near the top of the page. Take a moment to confirm that it is the correct site, then click on it to continue. Once the Cloudflare homepage loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see the Login option there. Click on Login to move to the Account Access page. If the page takes a few seconds to load, just wait for the sign-in screen to fully appear before entering any information. On the Login page, enter your account details in the appropriate fields. If you normally sign in using another app or connected account, you can choose that option instead and then follow the on-screen instructions. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to complete an extra verification step, such as confirming your identity through a prompt or entering a security code. Just proceed through each screen carefully until the login is complete. As a helpful tip, always double-check that you are on the official Cloudflare login page before submitting your information. If you're using a personal device, you may also have the option to save your login for faster access next time, but only do this if the device is secure. And that's all it takes to log into Cloudflare. Follow these steps carefully, and you should be able to access your account without any trouble.